What up, guys? We are going to have a little fun today and talk about mint stake share because I have a couple clowns out here trying to disprove the information that I put out there, dropping some nasty little comments. So, we're going to do a quick reply to those and kind of break down what's really going on with mint stake share and the crypto space. Let's get into it. To mint stake share or not to mint stake share? That is the question. And you know what, guys? I was done with mint stake share until I get a couple of bumbling trolls coming through my video wanting to give their input and shield the project. So I have no problem with some of them. Like, I'm going to show you a quick example here. Ashton Davies. He left a comment about mint stake share and his personal experience with it. Now, I'm still going to refute that because I know it's a Ponzi, but nevertheless, he came and had a little bit of respect, right? Then you got the trolls like this Bliss TV guy. Oh, this guy hating so bad. He is hating so bad to the point where I had to just go do a quick video this morning. He just dropped this, well, over the past couple hours, he's been dropping all these nasty comments and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys what happens when you mint stake share, because you're going to end up being like these guys here, this Bob Swiner and this Bliss TV guy. This is what happens when you mint stake share. You put your money in a protocol because an influencer told you to, and you get burned. And then when you get burned because someone like me tells you, hey, you shouldn't have done that, then you get mad at the person that tells you you shouldn't have done that. And the thing is, these stupid jokers keep putting money in. But nevertheless, the conversation they're having is quite interesting and revealing. So I'm going to share that with you guys. And please, for you guys that are new investors, look at this information. These guys can't give a single ounce of knowledge of what's really going on in the system, even though I've shared it with them, right? All they can do is cast insults and call me a futter. But let's look at what Ashton, with me and him cool. You know, I ain't got no problem with Ashton. He posted a comment, I replied. And then here come this Bliss TV character. Mista Phi Foot is just a clown. He don't know what he's talking about. Okay. And I reply and say, both history and the current charts clearly reveal I do know what I'm talking about. Trolls like you just can't comprehend logic. But to each his own, you know, go ahead, do your money. But he want to keep commenting. I think he was commenting to someone else that comment saying that another person has been brainwashed by me. But the dude has his own brain, right? So he just does his research. Bliss TV, you don't. All right. So then he comes along, and this is addressing me, bro. I swear you don't know what you're talking about, and you are not definitely following MSS. I don't have to follow MSS. I did my research before to let me know I don't need to. Aaron and his team are the most transparent dev, and that might be the case. And I say kudos to them. But then he says there are people who are experienced in crypto that invested over 100,000 and some 80,000. So this clown here thinks that just because people threw their money away, they know what they're doing. All right. But nevertheless, he's looking at other people and what they're doing instead of researching the project itself. And he's in that echo chamber where he can only listen to all of the positive stuff they're talking about in Telegram, right? So this Bliss TV guy doesn't have a clue. So you want to tell me they don't know what they're doing? Yep, exactly. I could have sent you a screenshot. You can still send me a screenshot, bro. I mean, it don't matter because I'm about to break down to you what they're doing. Trust me. Why would I trust you? You don't know what you're talking about. So how you gonna tell me I don't know what I'm talking about? So I replied to the guy, right? Yet again, you showing just how clueless you are. Just because someone invests a lot of capital into a project doesn't mean they know what they're doing. But with MSS, now check this out, guys, because this is what's going to happen to you if you invest in this project. But with MSS, they might know what they're doing because that could easily, if they dumped in 100,000 or an 80,000, that could easily pump up the price. Then stupid investors like Bliss TV would go in and buy it up, keep the price up, and then the whales would dump on them, leaving them with a bag of worthless tokens. Okay. He still doesn't get it, guys. He still doesn't get it. So, I welcome people like this to keep putting in money into the system, right? Let them throw it away. And then I try to give the boy a tip. If you had an ounce of sense, you'd be following sound money like Bitcoin, where investors have much better understanding of the protocol itself, not a crap token. And then they put billions of dollars, not 100,000. So he's following a couple people that put $180,000 into a small project when you got millions of people putting billions. Market cap is even in the $1 trillion that are going into Bitcoin. But you know what? He chooses to spend his money the way he needs to spend his money. So we'll let Blitz stay asleep. Now, speaking on Bitcoin, we have this hater here. We also have another hater, this Bob's uh, Swiner. He comes give his little argument and wants to call me FUD. I let him know, hey, if you really think that's the deal, you can keep putting your money in there. Now, I'm going to tell you guys what's happening in this mint stake share. I'm dropping these videos just to make you guys aware, and these videos are effective in getting awareness out. So a smart investor would do exactly what I'm saying and get out of projects like this and get into projects like this. All right, this high yield BTC, guys. This is where the money's made, and this is what's happening. If you come out here and look at these charts, right? What happened? That was the old MSS. Bam, 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 bam. All these red candles. This is the new. Bam. All these red candles. Okay. You come out to this wallet and let's see what's happening. And I'm going to let you guys be privy to some information that I don't normally share, but I did blot out email addresses and everything, so you don't know who the person is. So all of the information you put out here, my brother, is safe. Nobody knows who it is or anything. But he reached out to me a month ago, October the 1st, and I blotted out his name and stuff. He said, Mr. Phi, I recently found your YouTube channel and I'm eager to start using the platform, but he had a few questions. So he asks a few questions. I answer these questions, right? And he says, thanks for the explanation. This puts me at ease. I will be using your platform as soon as my funds clear to buy BTC. I appreciate your honesty and transparency. Thank you for having such a great platform. It's a breath of fresh air in the crypto world. So I thanked him for that, and we had a little bit more conversation. But I did have a question on, hey, how did he find out about the protocol? Because this helps our marketing efforts, right? And he explains where he came from, guys. It all started when I found a course on elephant money. So bank teller is spending a lot of money or doing a lot of things to try to get his broken system out to get clueless investors in. And if investors don't know, if they're only being shielded by positive information by these influencers, then they have no way to reason outside of that. But someone else that presents something, a lot of crazies like Blitz TV, he just stuck in that one mindset. He can't get out. The brother trapped. But anyway, he said, I started digging into it and found your YouTube video on it, and you were warning us against the Ponzi-like structure it had. So I kept watching and subscribed to your channel, and everything you were sharing on Elephant Money was dead on. The brother did his research, right? This is all I'm trying to get you guys to do. I'm trying to present you with an idea and let you run with it for yourself, right? I did invest $200 into futures since the course was teaching me how to do it. Of course it is, because bank teller's going to try to teach you to give him your money. I kept on doing my homework on elephant money and saw that I had joined after the exploit. Look at this, guys. So I did not invest any further, right? When he jumped in, he did not know that there was an exploit. Just like here, with these new charts, you got people coming in and you don't want them to see this exploit. Ain't that what Moonshot Max said? He don't want you to see that exploit, right? The nasty exploits. But anyway, the same thing gonna go on with MSS. The wallet you have, on the other hand, makes perfect sense. How does he know this makes perfect sense, guys? Because he did the research. He asked questions. He didn't just sit idly by. He saw the platform. He's like, okay, cool. Let me reach out and get some more information. And when I provide him with 100% transparency on what's going on and how he could profit from the system, he joins. He said, I do not have to fool around with anything else other than Bitcoin. It's simple and easy enough for a beginner like myself and others. Hope this information helps. And on behalf of all newbies out there, I want to truly thank you for unmasking all scams that prevent us from really growing and embracing our future in the crypto space. This is why I'm out here, guys. This is why me and Coach have been pumping out these videos and shutting down all of these other scams. But then you got the trolls out here. If you guys don't want to listen to it, bruh, don't listen to us. Just go out there, do your thing, spend all your money, and complain the rest of your life that you're broke. And while you're trying to prove us wrong, you need to invest in something that's solid. Even if you don't use a Bitcoin wallet, just use Bitcoin. Buy it, hold it for years, and you will be glad that you did. Stop chasing after these crap tokens. Do yourself a favor and invest wisely. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you ask me the question to mint, stake, share, or to not mint, stake, share, I say hell to the no. I am not mint, stake, sharing. All right, guys, we'll holler at you on the next one. Peace out.